Our homes use a lot of energy. We heat them in the winter, we cool them in the summer, and we heat our hot water tanks year-round. In fact, 11% of Canada's greenhouse gas emissions come from heating our homes and hot water tanks. 11%! That's the same amount of greenhouse gas emissions as all the air and car traffic in Canada. And what if I told you that the typical Canadian home gets enough solar energy hitting its roof to more than fulfill its heating requirements for the entire year? That's pretty exciting, because that means that if we could harness that solar energy, we could eliminate the greenhouse gas emissions from Canada's housing sector, the 11%. And solar technology has been around for a long time now, so this should be an easy problem to solve, right? Well, unfortunately, there's one major issue that stands in our way before this dream can become a reality. You see, here in Canada, we get the majority of our solar energy in the summer, but we need to heat our homes in the winter. So if we are to use all this solar energy to heat our homes, we need some way to store that energy from the summer to the winter. In essence, we need some kind of battery that stores heat, a thermal battery, if you will. Well, that's where my PhD research comes in. Here at Carleton University, I'm conducting experiments on a unique house built by our researchers. This house, pictured on my slide, captures and uses solar energy for home heating. But its most unique feature is what you do not see. Buried below the soil is a large box full of wet sand, the thermal battery of the house. This box is wrapped in a thick layer of insulation to minimize heat losses. In the summer, the solar panels on the roof capture solar energy and use it to heat the sand. In the winter, the process is reversed, and the sand's heat goes towards heating the home. My research is the first large-scale study of its kind in the world. And my goal is to prove that we can use solar energy for home heating, even in Canada's cold climate. Ultimately, I hope to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and bring us all one step closer to the renewable energy future that we are striving for.